So First National Bank of America is a nationwide lender. We operate in all 50 states. We operate here in the Midwest and the state of Michigan, but we cover all 50 states. We're a non-qualified mortgage lender, and that's all we do. We might have a high debt ratio when they're qualifying. Someone that may not have enough income on paper, maybe they're self-employed. A lot of times you're going to lose a customer as a real estate agent. We don't want you to lose that customer. We want you to send that customer to First National. We want you to contact First National through phone or email and let us know, and we can probably be of help. First National has alternative ways to qualify, especially a self-employed borrower. What we'll do, actually, we have a pretty neat program here at First National. We actually call it's a bank statement program. Someone who's self-employed, we'll actually add up all the deposits over a 12-month time frame of someone who's self-employed and use that as their income versus a tax return that they normally would provide to a traditional lender. Another niche program that First National Bank of America has is we work with what we call ITIN borrowers, which is a tax identification number. Some people here in the United States don't have a Social Security number, but have an ITIN number, tax identification number. It's difficult for that individual a lot of times to get to qualify for a mortgage through your traditional bank. No problem here at First National Bank. Actually, we do plenty of those type of loans, and it's easy to qualify. The qualifications are no different than someone who has a Social Security number. You just happen to have a tax identification number instead of a Social Security number. You do require a little bit more down payment than your traditional lender. We start at 15% down, so the borrower is required to bring a 15% down payment minimum. It could be up to 20% or 25% down payment. However, one thing that is nice about First National is we're also going to allow the borrower to use gift funds. There's programs you can put 20% down and do 100% gift. So it's really unique and neat to be able to do some of the creative things First National does where you're not going to get that when you go to traditional lenders. So don't give up on that borrower that might not have the full down payment. Typically when we work with real estate agents, the biggest thing is trying to meet a deadline for a purchase agreement. Buyer and seller sign a purchase agreement, 30 to 45 days, whatever it may be. We're running 20 to 30 days on closing time right now at First National. From the time we get the application and speak with the borrower and take an application to the time we're closing is typically taking somewhere between 20 and 30 days. Occasionally it'll take 35 days, but occasionally it'll take 15 days. Often real estate agents that we work with are the ones that haven't given up on a borrower, haven't given up on a client of theirs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to do a non-QM with First National, a non-QM mortgage. We want the opportunity, we want you to share that information with us because there's definitely a good chance we're able to help someone who has been turned down. So please call us, email us, call us. Whatever you have to do, we're here. Like I said, we're in the Midwest. We work in all 50 states. We're open to 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening, depends on the day. And we're always here to answer your phone calls or emails.